सब लोग, मैं हूं आपका अपना राज डाबला और मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल दादा फतेहबादिया में आप सबका स्वागत है। टुडे आई एम विद मिस्टर पीके मेहता। ही इज़ इंग्लिश ट्रेनर एंड आई वुड लाइक हिज ओपिनियन टू अबाउट किसान आंदोलन। हेलो सर।
Hello.
यू वांट अबाउट किसान आंदोलन?
Well, all the Indians, they are watching the Kisan Andolan for last 2+ months in Delhi and various borders. Our farmers, they have to sit there. My opinion about this Kisan Andolan is that I do support all the farmers of the country. The reason is because we exist in the universe because of these farmers. In case they are unable, in case they don't produce in their fields, how we, the Indians, maybe Haryana, maybe Tamil Nadu, maybe Delhi, even Modi ji, how he will able to eat the food. So I support the Andolan in the interest of the nation.
Do you support the government or kisan आंदोलन?
I definitely support the farmers of the country.
Okay.
And I'm sorry to say, Mr. Modi, the PM of the country, one who is living in Delhi, he must think of the farmers, those who are sitting at the borders. See, one side, Mr. Modi, the PM of the country, he is sleeping in his residence during this winter season, and he is making these farmers of the country, maybe from Punjab, Haryana, UP and other parts, to sit under the sky, open sky at nights, something very bad. The government must immediately look into the problem and immediately solve the problem of the farmers and the countrymen.
What are your comments about Fatehbad politics?
See, the Fatehbad politics, the local MLA we are having, Mr. Dudaram, he must come forward to help the farmers of the district. And Madam Sunita Dugal, one who is the MP and is with the ruling party, with the PM of the country, she must talk to the farmers of the district, and she must request the PM of the country, that is Mr. Modi, to resolve all the problems of her constituency in the interest of the farmers.
What are your comments about Lal Killa episode?
Lal Killa episode, this is something highly unfortunate on the part of the country. And I really wonder, the Lal Killa, which is in the security of the army of the country on 26th of Jan, I really wonder how it happened, how the people managed to reach Lal Killa, how the people reached here and went for another flag, something very bad and a great lapse on the part of the security of the country, something highly unfortunate.
What are your comments about common man?
The common men of the country, I'll say the common men of the country, of the nation, they are sleeping. The reason being, in case there are 100+ deaths in the country, and I really wonder that people of the country, they don't come to the roads. If you remember, there was an episode in France, only one person, he expired, he died, and the very next day, I remember all the countrymen, all the people of France, they came to the roads and in support of that very person. In our country, people, they are sitting under the sky in this season where our PM is living, and common men of the country, they are not coming in support of the farmers, because this issue is directly, indirectly connected with the common man. So all the common, maybe Fatehbad, maybe Haryana, maybe Bangalore, maybe Tamil Nadu, they must come to the roads and support these farmers.
Thank you, Mr. P.K. Mehta. What is any suggestion for government and kisan?
The suggestion for the government is immediate solution must be reached. The government of India, Mr. Modi, he is a very intelligent PM and he is having a very, you can say, strong team. He is having majority. If at all they have committed a mistake by bringing these 3 laws or bills, they must immediately take it back in the interest not of the farmers only, in the interest of the country. And at the same time, I would like to thank this channel, that is Dada Fatehbadia, that you are going to bring my voice to the countrymen, to the nation, to the citizens of the nation. And lastly, I would like to request the youth of the country they should come in support of the farmers, and they must support this Kisan Andolan, because directly or indirectly their support will help them. Thank you very much. Thank you, Mr. Raj.
Thank you.